Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make authentic chorizo tacos, like street tacos, like the really good ones. And we're making chorizo from scratch. None of that sausage chorizo stuff. So, I have pork here. I'm gonna put the pork in there's gonna be a lot of messy hands action, okay? And then you have to use some of this potato, okay? And it's just cooked potato. I just diced it, peeled potato. And what happens is it absorbs some of the fat from the pork, just makes it extra delicious, okay? This is my secret to this recipe. So I'm mashing it just slightly because I like the chunks in there. Then adding a little bit of oregano and a little sweet paprika, okay? A touch of cumin. And secret ingredient to all of this is my chipotles and sauce. This is where it's at, okay? So you add whatever, however spicy you like it. I like it a little smoky, so I'm gonna go in with a really big one there, okay? Good pinch of salt. You remember 5-finger pinch, the chef pinch of salt, and black pepper. And then I'm just gonna give it a really good stir. And I'm actually gonna go in with my hands, okay? Because I wanna break apart this pepper. Make sure it doesn't get under your nails because that would sting for a while, probably. Ooh. Okay, I'm breaking up my pork here. Making sure, I'm just looking for like a smoky sort of red color. And then I'm gonna probably end up adding, making a mess. Add a little bit more of sweet paprika maybe, and maybe more chipotle. Okay, wash my hands. All right, I'm gonna do a touch more. And I'm actually gonna scoop out some of this sauce I have in here, just a little bit, just a tiny, like honestly a little bit goes a long way because it is very spicy, right? And maybe a touch more potatoes. Yeah, like that, perfect. Give it a good, and then a pinch of salt. And my pan is warming up because I want it nice and hot, okay? So I'm gonna add my oil to it, just a touch because this is quite fatty, right? Turn up the heat, I want it to be sizzling hot, okay? Give this one more stir. And we're almost there, okay? Almost ready to move on to our cast iron pan. And I'm using cast iron pan because it really heats up nice and hot. But you can use whatever pan. I would recommend a stainless steel pan versus nonstick. Nonstick doesn't work as well. Okay. Yeah, we're ready. This is nice and hot, and you can see the smokiness from this cast iron. And if you don't have a cast iron large enough, oh yeah, that's the sizzle I want to hear, right? Nice and hot. If you don't have a cast iron large enough, you can just do this in batches, okay? Now we're gonna break it apart. First thing I'm smelling is the smoky chipotles. Oh, love it. Gonna break it apart, it's gonna be a few minutes. We wanna just let it sit, get a nice crust, caramelization. Now we wait. The crust in here, check it out. It is what we want, okay? I'm actually gonna turn this off because cast iron really holds its heat. I'm gonna move it to the side here, and then we're gonna toast our tortillas, okay? We're using corn tortillas today. First, we're gonna take this off the stove into a bowl. Look at this. Look at this crust. Oh, yeah, so good. Oh, but it's still quite fatty, right? But you don't even see the chunks of potato, just like a little bit. Gives it a little creaminess to it, so it's not just sitting in oil, right? Absorbs it. all that flavor. Okay, so speaking of all that flavor, I'm gonna toast my shells right in this pan. Why not, right? We want flavor. I don't even need to add oil. It's still nice and greasy. So we're gonna toast it for about a minute. Perfect. Nicely toasted, just a little, right? It's just to warm them up. This looks so good. These are coming out. This, you don't have to do this with your hands. My hands have no feeling because I burned them so many times. We're gonna do a little wedge of lime. Beautiful. Oh yeah, check this out, guys. That crustiness, whew. Smoky. Oh yeah, like that. A little onion action. The real way, right? Cilantro. Yum. And lime. Oh, hot sauce, hot sauce. I like them spicy. Boom. That's how you do it. Authentic street Mexican tacos. Can I bite? Oh yeah.